welcome back to my channel. Listen, I got some great stuff. This is, I don't know what to say. This is not a New Year's thing. This is a after New Year's thing. But anyway, so Santa decided to bring me some stuff for Christmas. So this is just some things that I picked up, that I got for Christmas, that I was just in love with. Hey, if you were having a New Year's extravaganza at home, you could have put this stuff on. But for me, I just loved it. It's everyday wear. So if you want to see what Santa bought me, just keep on watching. Okay, so first thing is, I said I was going to do more workouts. So what I did was I got me a workout top, and I love this top. It's made out of cotton. It has the little padding inside. I hate padding inside, but I love the fact that it doesn't have the little crisscross in the back. It's just a plain strap top. I love this. So I got these, and I also got these little stretch pants. I got these from I'll let you know who I got them from. Anyway, I got these are high-waisted. I like them. They are nice and thick, so they are going to pick up some sweat, and they are so stretchable. So I love these, and I got these on sale for $3.99. And if you really wanted to, you could like wear these outside of working out. You know, you really didn't have to wear them to work out, but anyway. So I got these, and isn't this just cute? It has a low neckline, and it has this cute little detailing on the side, and it's got pockets. Look at that. It's got pockets. No, it don't. It don't have no pockets. I don't know what I was thinking about. It should have pockets. I don't know what these little things are. They look like pockets, don't they? I guess you could put some stuff down in there if you wanted to, but girl. This is form-fitting. It's beautiful. It's low cut, so beware, beware, beware. It's low cut. And it's nice and tapered at the leg, so you can put these on with boots, with some nice heels. You can dress it down, dress it up. It's a cute little jumper, and who doesn't like jumpers? So I got that. And jeans, jeans, jeans. Ladies, we love jeans, but stop buying the mom jeans unless you're buying them too big. Go for the boyfriend jeans, or get some jeans with some bling. So, listen, I picked these up. Look at this detail at the bottom. It's just cute. Isn't that cute? You can dress these jeans up. You can dress them down with a nice pair of tennis shoes. And you can wear these anywhere. You can wear them to the club. You can wear them to grandma's house. You can wear these anywhere you want to. And they are so much better than those grandma jeans. So these fit great. They are perfect. And I just love the bottom. And I love this so much, I picked up another pair, which are similar to these. But let's hang these back up on my beautiful little hanger. But this pair has a stripe down the side. Isn't that awesome? Oh, I love these. Look at that stripe down the side. It's silver. I would definitely dress these jeans up with a nice pair of shoes, a nice silver shirt, and I would go, well, some clubs don't allow jeans. You know, you gotta have something up to your ass to go to those places. But if you're going to the bar just to pick up a drink, these would work. You can put on a nice sexy blouse, go out with your man, your husband, your boyfriend, whomever, and put these jeans on, and this is so cute. Now, I don't know if this is going to stay on here when you wash these jeans, but we're going to find out. This is cute. And these jeans cost me $19.99, so that's not bad. Oh, I mean, Santa paid for this. So after I got that, I went ahead and picked up this little shirt. And this is cute. It's got a little hoodie to go with it and a little bottom. So that's alright. But I bought this shirt to actually go with these pants. And I love these pants. These are just cute, and they have elastic around the waist, have little pockets. They fit me perfectly. You've got these camos have nice little elastic at the bottom. These are just cute. You can go ahead and pair these with this shirt, which looks just great for casual, or again, you could dress these up. Of course, I would just wear these as casual with a nice pair of boots and call it a day. That's the way I would wear those. I picked those up, and I'll show you how all these items look and how I dress them. And then I picked up, let's see, this little shirt. I know it's no sleeves and it's a summer shirt, but it was on sale. And you know, if you don't know anything about me, you ought to know when something's on sale. And this shirt was only $4. Yeah, I'm gonna pick it up because it's cute. And it ties at the waist, and it'll go perfect with a pair of jeans, with a pair of white shorts, with a pair of white pants. It's just a cute shirt. And while I was out there, I went ahead and I picked up this shirt here. Oh, isn't this cute? You could even put these on with those jeans. And this is made out of a little plastic, but it is just plain out cute. I love this tee, and you know I love t-shirts with little logos. This is a DKNY, Donna Karen of New York, so it is cute. And I went ahead and picked up 2 skirts. You know I love my pencil skirts. The first one is just this basic one here. And it's just basic down the middle because you know you got to go to work. And I could actually pair that white t-shirt with this skirt to just dress it down, make it look plain and simple, put on a blazer with it, and I'm ready to go to work. And I went ahead and also got this nice little denim skirt. It was on sale for $10 actually. And it's stretchable. Yeah, ladies, it is stretchable. I love this little accent going down the front. And it too is a pencil skirt. And it's just cute. You can stick that white shirt on with this one. And you can go ahead out for the day. Put your boots on and you're ready to go. And let's see what else I got. And oh, this jacket. Oh, I know this jacket is a little bit crazy, but I love it. I can put this on with a pair of jeans. It's nice and soft and fluffy. It's made out of a little cotton fluff. It's got a cute little inside. It's nice and plain. And it's got a little hood. You know, this is perfect baseball. Excuse me. It's perfect baseball coat. It's a cameo. It's just awesome. You're going to love this coat. Anyway, I got this on sale. And it cost me, its original sales price for this was $23. And I got it for $6.99. So there are sales to be had. JustaQueenWells saying Happy New Year, have a great one, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.